Welcome to the student and the startup track. We're going to do a combination introduction session here. I'm going to start with some things that are helpful for both, I guess. Well, startup tracks don't need to know this, but oh, there you go. Almost killed the trophy. My name is Marten Smits. I work for FHIR, who's hosting this event. And I have a background in software development. I'm now currently a developer for simplify.net. I'm a FHIR consultant as well, and I'm active at HL7 Netherlands. Some formalities for this day. Again, if you didn't do the general introduction, there's an app here with the schedule for today and rating stuff and all information you need. So please download it if you don't have it already. The Wi-Fi is really, really good and helpful here. So if you need that, this is the code. It's also in the app. So download the app. Everything is there. And the presentation will be in the Muhammad in the afternoon, and that is right there. So we are now here, and the presentations in the afternoon will be there. For the student track, there's two universities, I guess, today here. The University of Berlin. Can you raise your hand if you're here? No? Not yet. Okay. And the Karolinska Institute. There you go. Thanks, guys. So we're going to find this guy. You already won. Skip the formalities. We can skip over to the... No, I know this guy somewhere here. So we're going to find him. And in the afternoon, James and I were going to judge the presentations that you will give us and the whole audience, I guess. So the schedule for today is, well, we are now at the opening. One team missing already. See what we get left here. And in the afternoon, you have actually time to work on your solutions, work on your project still, make finishing touches, and well, there's a keynote you can attend. If you like, you can just go to sessions, but please give other paying participants, for example, if there's a full room, just give your seat up for a paying participant, but you can just go around and do whatever you like, I guess, as long as you're here. So if I have two universities here at 1550 at Muhammad, then I will be very happy. And I will ask you to present your solutions to us. You prepared something, I hope, and describe your work and how you applied FHIR, demo your app, and I think the most important thing is that you reflect on the lessons that you learned. And then in the afternoon, we will announce the winner. James and I will, and we will ask the winner to actually present your demo to the whole thing, or everyone who wants to be there. So that will be in the main room. This will be the criteria for the presentations, and good luck, I guess, to the students. And I will hand over everything to the startup track.
Good morning, everyone. I'm going to present the startup track and the organizational stuff. I'm with Ward today. Do you want to present?
I think this should work too.
Okay.
Awesome. Good. Yeah, so my name is Ward Wijstra. We're presenting this together. I also work at FHIR. Too close to the speaker. And Julie put a lot of startup jobs here, so I thought I should also put something in my background here. I started only with FHIR half a year ago. FHIR itself is a startup, of course. I'm the product owner for Simplifier and Forge. You might have worked with those tools around the FHIR standard to work with that profiling. I used to work at a startup before that too. Like I worked for 6 years on a startup, growing it from 6 to 40 people. And I used to be on a different open source product also on the board. Yeah, so helping Julie here with judging.
Yeah. Thank you. And for me, for the startup track, I experienced a huge growth in my startup from 6 to 100 employees since 4 years. And I'm very involved in the FHIR working group in France, building national profiles and stuff. And I try to build a community in France around meetups each 2 months. So if you are in Paris, sometimes you can go and meet us. For the startup track, we have 5 finalists. 2 French startups, Arcan and Medeo, they are here. Nuvita, I don't know if they are here. Yeah, but yeah, I remember. Pact Care, they will be in a remote. And Health, yeah, perfect. We have everywhere. The program is very simple. We have 5 minutes per company to have a pitch. And if we get some time after the pitch, it will have 1 or 2 questions for a QA session. This is the order of your presentation. Bring your laptop with a HDMI connection to present your slides, I think, yeah? Yeah. And we will announce the winner around 6:40.
Yeah, and make sure you're on the right Wi-Fi, the one that Marten just showed. Otherwise, you might experience lag if you're on the public Wi-Fi. And you don't want to have that in your 5-minute pitch. Okay.
On the review criteria, of course, there is a technical stuff. So you have to show us how FHIR enable your work. How do you use FHIR? What is your FHIR data model? If you validation, be concise, but detailed at the same time. Your ID need to be innovant. You need to be very, I don't know, you be persuasive. Try to show your product. And what is the business value? You can have the best idea in the world, but if the clients are not ready to use your product, show us some number of your product and your business value. Okay, yeah, and good luck. I think you have something to add on the criteria? Or?
No, I think that's it. Yeah.
Okay.
I think this will be a short session anyway, so you have some time to prepare, see what other sessions you might attend today.
Thank you.
And good luck.